The chapter name, the solid state. Topic of this chapter, imperfection in solid. Now, this is a part 3 video of this topic, imperfection in solid. Now, in review of part 1 and part 2 video. Now, in part 1, part 2 video, we have studied what is imperfection in solid, what is perfect crystals, and what are the conditions. And you see, along with this types of defect. Okay, so types of point defect and line defect. Okay, and in next part 2 video we have discussed about vacancy, what is vacancy defect, and what is interstitial defect, how they are formed also. Okay, now this is a part 3 video. In this video we are going to discuss about point defect in solids. So point defect in solids means ionic solids. So it is broadly classified in 3. Number 1, point defect in a stoichiometric solid, point defect in non-stoichiometric crystals, and impurity defect. Now today in this video we will take up what is a point defect in stoichiometric, right? Stoichiometric crystals. Okay, point defect in stoichiometric crystals. Okay, and see this. In this topic comes what is a Frankel defect. Okay, so see this, point defect in ionic crystals, stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric, impurity. Now this is our topic of the day, this video. This is a part 3 video. Topic of this video is this. This is a stoichiometric defect in ionic crystals. Now Frankel defect and Schottky defect. Okay, so first we will start with Schottky defect, right? What is Schottky defect? See this. So first we will topic is point defects in stoichiometric solids, or yes, 2 types of defect is seen in this. Okay, Frankel and Schottky. So first we will understand what is stoichiometric defect. Okay, so in this type of defect we observe the number of positive ion and anion, positive ion and anion are exactly in the ratios as indicated their chemical formula. Okay, so see this is a concept. Now the number of positive and anion, or cation and anion ions, are exactly in the ratio as indicated their chemical formula. For simplicity we can consider the compound AB. Okay, so this AB contains equal number of cation and equal number of anion. Okay, so this is a compound, stoichiometric compound. So number of cation, number of anion is same, and they are the same ratio. See, so this is a general formula, AB. So AB, so this defect is known as, means the AB compound shows stoichiometric defect. So this is type of defect is known as stoichiometric defect. All right. So this is a concept, is very simple. Okay, what is stoichiometric defect? Simple, right? Now next we are going to study what first we will take a Frankel. See, what is Schottky? SCHOTTKY. Schottky defect, या order, या disorder, या imperfection. Schottky defect, right? So the Schottky defect, generally it is German scientist. German scientist. Okay, he has given his theory in 1930. Okay, so Scotty defect. It is a means Scotty. This is a word, right? It is discovered by German scientists, right? It is discovered by German scientists. Scotty defect in 1930. First point. Second point. What is this? To see this is we are going to study with the help of one example. So we are taking, yes, Schottky defect in crystals. So see this. Here I am taking okay. So this is lattice point, lattice point, lattice point, lattice point. Okay, lattice point, lattice point. And it is completely ordered, of unit cell constitute particles. So these are the constitute particles. Suppose this is a cation, it is anion, it is 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 cation, it is anion. So see this. So this first, it is completely ordered. Arrangement of constitute particles means they may be atom or molecules. Simple. So this these are the A cation, anion. So in this is a stoichiometric defect. So number of cation and number of anions are same. Now in some condition, right, this one of the cation is missing, right? So here is a concept. In one case, here I am replacing, yes, this is a 1, okay, one cation is missed, and we can take here one cation and one anion this side. See this, one anion is missing. So in this crystal, so this is known as anionic vacancy. Anionic vacancy. Okay, it is a cationic vacancy. Cationic vacancy. So see this. In this crystal, there is a one cationic vacancy and one anionic vacancy and one cationic vacancy. So sometimes this is also, Schottky defect is also known as a vacancy defect. So case number 1, it is arises due to missing of, means Schottky defect, it arises due to missing of equal number of cation and anion, right? It creates vacancy. That is why it is also known as vacancy defect. Okay, fine, vacancy defect. So first point is this, second point is, now third important is very important, right? Now in this crystal, number of cation and anion, equal number of cation missing, so it maintains electrical neutrality in the crystals. Okay, in this type of crystal, to maintain so electrical neutrality in this. Now next point is, it lowers the density of the crystals. Is like this crystal, okay, lower the density of the crystals. So, and it is seen in the ionic solids. So this is the one Schottky defect, ionic solids. Examples we can take up. Example, NaCl, KCl, right? And many more ways you can tell, KBr, right? KBr, AgBr, etc. So these are the examples. from of this Scotty defect. Okay, so simple. This is a concept. Schottky defect is very simple, right? Now, next one is conditions causing Scotty defect. What are the conditions? Next point. So this we have studied. Now, what are the conditions? This is your understood, child. Now, next, I am rubbing this. What are the conditions of this effect? Means conditions for showing causing number one, right, is a high coordination number, and first condition is high coordination number. High coordination number. And second condition, almost having similar size, similar ionic sizes. Okay, so this is a condition of Scotty defect, condition causing Scotty defect. Number one, high coordination. So high coordination number. Second case, almost having similar ionic sizes. Okay, so these type of substances have same equal number cation, anion, right, same ionic sizes. So this information about the condition, the Schottky defect. Now next I am taking Frenkel defect. What is Frenkel defect? Okay, Frenkel defects. Okay, this is also point defect in stoichiometric compound. Yes, Frenkel defect, it is discovered by Russian scientist. Okay, Frenkel. Now what is the concept of Frenkel? The first point, same. Okay, Frenkel defect. So let's, these are the constituent particles, okay, complete, this is a completely ordered arrangement of constituent particles. Okay, right, constituent particles. Now this is what, this is known as interstitial site. Okay, so number one, this is a constituent particles. This is the normal position, yeah, original position of constituent particles. Now in some condition it comes here. Okay, this unit cell or constituent particles deviates from their normal or original position here. Okay, so it comes here. Okay, so it creates vacancy. At normal position or original position. Now it comes, yes, here, interstitial site. So it is a deviation is there. This is a vacancy and this is, it comes here and therefore to the interstitial sites. Now so this is the interstitial sites. So that is why now in this type of defect, Frenkel defect is seen two types. Means vacancy defect at original position and interstitial defect at new location. Interstitial site or interstitial defect at new position, and this new position is known as interstitial defect, or at normal position it is known as vacancy defect. All right, so What is point? Sometimes we would say it is a dislocation effect. It is known as Frankel defect is known as dislocation effect. Okay. Now it deviates constitute particle from normal position to interstitial site. This is the concern. Normal position to the interstitial site. Second point. Now, and it shows both the type of defects: vacancy defect at original position and interstitial defect at new location. Now, so density, what would affect on the density? No change. Density does not change. Density does not change in this type of crystals. So this is a concept. Okay. Now conditions for showing Frankel defect. What are the conditions for showing Frankel defect? So conditions causing Frankel defect. Number one, low coordination number. Low coordination number. Second point, anions are larger in size than cation. All right. So these are the two main conditions. Yes. So conditions: low coordination number, anions are larger in size than cation. Now next, very important examples: silver halide, AgCl, AgBr, AgI, etc. Okay, why? Because Ag is small size of cation and chloride anion, large size of chloride ion. Okay. Now, there is a one very important line. Alkali metal halide, pure alkali metal halide do not show, right? Pure alkali metal halide do not show Frankel defect. Okay. Answer you will get from condition number 2, or we can say Frankel defect do not show alkali halide. Alkali halides like NaCl. Why? Because due to large size of cation. This is large size of cation. Okay, and it is a this is large size, so it cannot fit into the interstitial site. Okay, so this is the reason. Now the presence of holes, if the number of the presence of holes, right, because of holes, it is a good conductor of electricity, right? Or number point, the presence of holes decreases the lattice enthalpy or stability of ionic crystals. This is a conclusion. Okay, the presence of, or if number of holes are increases, so it may collapse. Clear? So children, see, here's a recap between comparison between Frankel defect and Schottky defect. Now, equal number of cation and anion missing in Schottky. Frankel में dislocation means constituted particle deviates from their normal position to original position. Okay, so it acts as both, shows both vacancy as well as interstitial defect. Now, density does not change in Frankel defect. Density lowers the density in Schottky defect, and high coordination is Schottky defect, and right, it's almost similar sizes. We see shows this type of Schottky defect. Now in Frankel, low coordination number and anionic part is large cation. So this information is about Frankel and Schottky defect. Now in next video we will take second point defect in non-stoichiometric solids. Okay children, bye bye, see you.